So, good morning. Welcome to this first online course on neuromarketing and consumer psychology held by Neuroset Labs. Let's talk about sensory marketing. Sensory marketing is a branch of consumer research that studies how consumers' senses and perception, judgments and behaviors are affected by sensory stimuli. So let's talk about sight. An important feature of advertised products. Can you think why you would buy this cup on the left or the one on the right? They asked participants. Well, according to this study, cups with handle oriented to the right are perceived as more effective and are related to a real increase in sales. We see visually serves to prepare our motor responses. When we see an object with a handle or with an appendix to grasp, our brain prepares for action, simulating how we would grab that object. Similarly, placing a spoon in a cup of soup, which is oriented towards the observer, facilitates the imagination of how you can use that product. The posterior parietal cortex is involved in motor imagery, and the premotor cortex is involved in the execution of actual movements. A recent study has investigated how package attractiveness affects consumers' brain activity. This region is usually activated in studies of emotions. In a famous work of Knudsen in 2007, it has been demonstrated that excessive prices are perceived as painful and activate the insula. Also, colors play an important role in consumers' decisions. The red color in ads increases the tendency to grab objects with a stronger force. Our brains find perfumes containing malodorous component as pleasant, whereas pure scents are perceived as not so captivating. According to this study, it seems that our frontal cortex, in particular, finds floral scents like jasmine or orange blossom as irresistible only if they are combined to the stinky perfume of indoor. The galvanic skin response. How do we measure it? How we record it? So when you are excited, frightened, sad, or when you are lying, the eccrine glands located on the palms of your hands start sweating. As we said, not only mental efforts but also strong emotions and startling events can elevate your skin conductance level. Skin conductance is measured by applying a constant voltage current to the skin through electrodes. The voltage is so small that it cannot be felt or perceived. The phasic activity corresponds to the activation that is triggered by an emotional episode or a stimulus in the environment. A recent work led by Peter Walla at the University of Newcastle in Australia showed that when you like or dislike a brand, your skin conductance response changes. And now we'll be showing you the result of a recent test we carried out on a TV commercial. Okay, that's all for today. Please send us your comments and feedbacks. Write us to info@neuroset.net or connect with us via Skype. Thank you very much. Bye.